Let us now talk about the cost of administration, and for that, the information that has been given to us on the assumptions page is that administration cost is calculated as a percentage of revenue, and this is 10%. So let us go to, of course, we are not going to do the calculation on the face of the profit and loss statement, even though we can, but that is against the best practice. So rather, we are going to follow the works on schedule. So let me go here and let me give it a title, that is administration cost. And now in this administration cost, the thing is you can calculate the 10% of revenue, but if I just do that, this value multiply by the 10% from there, that is not going to be very helpful for the reader. So what we are going to do is, rather, we are going to repeat the key values, and in this values the first thing is sales revenue, which is going to be a link to the value above, so this one here. And then we have to also repeat the administration cost percentage as well, and that is cost percentage, and this is going to be equal to this value in the assumptions, 10%. And now we will be copy pasting that to the whole all 5 columns, but I want this to change as per the value above, but this one should remain fixed, so I will be making it absolute reference. And now copy both of these cells and paste them here, and here you have the data ready. And now to calculate the cost, I will say revenue into 10%, and here is my answer, and this is my administration cost. So, and now by the way, we just need to take it back to the profit and loss statement as well. So I would say equals this value here, administration cost, and now let us copy and paste that to all the cells here and apply the formatting as well. Right, so with that, let us talk about the next very similar thing, and that is warehousing and shipping. For that, we were informed, if I go back to assumptions, we were informed that warehousing and shipping is going to be 15%, and of course this is 15% of revenue. So even though it is not so clearly mentioned, so I'll just do that. Right, so now we are going to repeat the same steps. So first of all, let us go to schedules and add a heading, warehousing and shipping. And now first of all, I'm going to repeat the sales revenue value, that is this value from here. And then let us talk about warehousing and shipping percentage, and that is this value here from the assumptions page. And now make it absolute, and now let us copy paste this to all the cells here. And now we can calculate the value, this multiply by this, and this is going to be my answer. Now let us talk about let us give it a proper name, warehousing and shipping cost. Right, so now we can link that to my profit and loss statement, equals this value here, and now copy paste. And by the way, rather than formatting everything one by one, we can do that straight away for all of these cells. So comma with no decimals. So we are done with administration and warehousing. Now we are going to talk about marketing, but let us do that in the next lecture.